Here's the vintage homemade mini bike after I painted the frame and the forks. The forks need a bit of a straightening. They'd banged into something and they're a bit twisted and bent, but they're pretty straight now. And the rest of the frame's pretty good. I've welded up the slots for the engine mount because they had big long slots for the Villiers motor, and I'm converting it to a Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower, and I've painted up the engine, all that. They said this paint is epoxy enamel, but I think it's just enamel. But anyway, I brush painted it all. It's not the best, but it's good enough. And yeah, I'll put a photo of the bike before. I should have taken a video before I stripped it all down, but it's got 6-inch wheels and drum brakes front and rear, and I'm pretty sure they've used BSA Bantam brake shoes because I compared them to the 5-inch, and the rear shoes are missing, and I tried a pair of Bantam ones in there and they seem to fit perfectly, and they also match the shoes in the front. So all I've got to do now is rebuild the wheels, fix the brakes, and it's got a petrol tank which sits up here, and assemble the motor and make an exhaust, and it should be good.